Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explorer. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I'm going to make this part by using this drawing. The most complicated portion of this drawing is making this part of the project. So keep watching this video till end, and if you want to download this part for your practice or this drawing for your practice, I will leave the download link in the description of this video. So keep watching this video till end. Okay, let's start. First of all, make a print of this drawing and then start from top plane. First of all, I will start making sketch of this part. So as you can see, this seems to be a rectangle. So draw a rectangle like this. Press escape key and then press and hold control key, select the origin and this point, make their relation horizontal. Similarly, make the horizontal relation vertical relation for these 2 points. Now define by using smart dimensions. This distance is 100 millimeter and this distance is so as you can see, we do not have the complete distance, so we have to sum all these distances. So make the sum. So 100 plus 110 plus 100. Draw a line like this. Now I'm going to make this cut. Press and hold control key and then select origin and this point. Make their relation vertical. Define the distance, this distance 12 millimeter. This distance is 110 millimeter. Now press escape key. Draw a center line and draw it like this. Press escape key. Use mirror entities to mirror. Click on this box and then select this and this. Mirror about, select this box and select this center line and press OK button. Now select trim entities and trim this side, also this side. Now press escape key. Again define the distance, this distance 100 millimeter. So our sketch is now, you can see, fully defined. Now we have to extrude this sketch. This is also 12 millimeter. Now I'm going to make this ring. We have to click on front plane. So sketch on it, make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard and draw 2 circles, one circle and another circle. Now define the diameter of the outer circle 150 millimeter and the diameter of inner circle 75 millimeter. Press escape key and select origin and this center point. Make their relation vertical. Again define the distance from the center of the circle up to the bottom of this part. It is 220 millimeter. So as you can see, our sketch is once again fully defined. Now we have to extrude it. Go to features and select extruded boss base command and make sure that from here drop down this option and select mid plane. Now define the width of this ring 50 millimeter. So now we have to make 4 holes on this ring. So for that, first read the drawing carefully. So it's written 12 deep, which means 12 mm in depth on 105 PCD, which means the circular diameter of the holes is 105 millimeter. 4 holes, definitely number of holes is 4. And 6 tab, which means 6 M6 threads. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this hole wizard command. Scroll down and from here select this straight tab option, then again scroll down From here on size option, drop down this option and then select M6. Here is the depth, type here 12 as they were 12 deep. Then click on this tab positions, then select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard and then select circle. Draw it like this. From here select construction geometry for construction. Now define the diameter of this circle. (105) and then draw another center line like this. One more center line started from the center point up to this quadrant point. Press escape key. Now define the angle 45. As on the drawing there is not mentioned this angle, but it seems to be that this angle is 45 degree. So make this line also construction geometry and then drop a point on this point. So now press escape key and then press this button. So now we have to make a circular pattern for this hole. For that, click on this arrow below the linear pattern command and select circular pattern. Click on this axis box here and select this circle. Also select this features to pattern box and then drop down or expand the parts tree and select M6 tab hole. Type here quantity 4 and make sure that this equal spacing option is checked and then press OK button. Now I am going to make this part. This seems to be a difficult part of this drawing. So there are a number of ways to make this part. For me, what I am going to do, I am going to make another plane like this. So for that, first of all I have to sketch on front plane, make normal to and then select center line and start it from here and up to this quadrant point as you can see on the drawing. So now press escape key. Now define the distance from this line up to this point, 35 millimeter. So now draw another center line started from this midpoint like this. Define the distance of this line. This distance should be the thickness of this part, which is 8 mm. Now press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. Now I'm going to make a new plane. So for that, click on reference geometry and then select plane. First reference, select this line, and for the second reference select this point. So here is the plane. Press OK button to create this plane. Now click on this plane and sketch on it. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard and then draw a sketch using line command. Like this. Press escape key. Now select this midpoint, origin and this midpoint. Make their relation vertical. Draw a center line from this midpoint up to this point. Press escape key and make their relation horizontal. Now define this width 36 mm. Also define this width 65 mm. Now draw another center line and start it from this point up to this point. Press escape key. Select this point and make it fixed. Now select this line and make it horizontal. So our sketch is now fully defined. Here you can see. Now I am going to extrude it. Go to Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 8 mm, but in the opposite direction. So reverse the direction by clicking on this box. Press OK button. Select this sketch and hide it. Now I'm going to mirror this part on this side. So for that, click on mirror command here and click on this box, mirror face or plane. Drop down this menu and from here select right plane. For features to mirror, select this part and press OK button. Now I'm going to make this portion of the drawing. So for that, click on this face and sketch on it. Make normal to and then draw a sketch by using line command. Like this. Now draw a 3-point arc. Press escape key. Select this line and this arc. Make their relation tangent. Also tangent relation for this line. Select the this point, this center point and this point. Make their relation vertical. Now select this center point and the origin. Make their relation horizontal. Now define the width of this line. So as in the drawing there is not mentioned the width of this line, but we can assume this width. As you can see, this distance is 18 mm. So this is the radius. So the diameter should be 36 mm. And this arc is also a tangent to these lines. So we can assume that this width should be 36 mm. Now distance from this line up to this center point is 18 mm. Change the shade and press escape key. Select this point and this line. Make their relation coincident. Now we can again change the shade. Now go to features and extrude it up to 12 mm. Again we have to use mirror command, and in the mirror about we have to select right plane, and for features we have to select this post extrude and press OK button. Now we have to make the hole. For that we have once again we have to use the hole wizard command, and this time we have to make simple hole. Scroll down. So we have to change the type from dowel holes to drill sizes. So now scroll down and here you can see 14 mm. So the end condition we have to select throughout or through all. Then go to positions tab and select this face. Drop one hole on this center point and then drop one hole on this center point and press OK button. So next step is that we have to make this portion of the drawing in this part. So first let's see drawing. So as you can see, the distance from this face up to the face of this portion is 40 mm. So first we have to measure the distance from this face up to the front plane, and this distance is 38 millimeter. So we need the distance 40 mm. So once again we have to make another plane which is 40 mm apart from this face. So type 40 mm and in the reverse direction. So check this box, flip offset and press OK button. Now sketch on this new plane. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard and then select this circle, then select convert entities. Also select a line and draw a sketch like this. Press escape key. Now draw a sketch like this. Press escape key and now use trim entities and trim this side of the circle and also this side of the circle. Press escape key. Now select this sketch fillet. Fillet radius is 15 mm. Select this and this corner. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now select this line and this line. Make their relation parallel and then define the distance from this line up to this line. 25 mm. Distance from this line up to this line. 18 mm. So our sketch is now fully defined. Now go to Features tab and extrude this sketch. On the opposite direction, the extrusion thickness is 8 mm. Press OK button. So this is how we can draw these type of parts in SolidWorks. I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video, and if you have any suggestions, please do comment below, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and sparing time.